If you're a tech lover, you're going to want to see this. Sony's latest innovations are truly changing everything right now. Sony is leveling up with technology straight out of science fiction. First up, their new XR headset blends real and virtual worlds. Think immersive gaming experiences inside the XR headset. Think collaborative design and 3D modeling in real time. Think simulated medical training with hyper-realistic practice scenarios. Then, check out Sony's AI-driven cameras and smart sensors. They can track subjects automatically with pinpoint accuracy. They predict movement to follow action before it happens. They shoot cinema-quality footage automatically, no operator needed. But wait, there's more. Sony's launching spatial audio tech, creating 360-degree sound experiences that feel like you're inside the action. And for creatives, they're developing interactive holographic displays, letting you interact with 3D images, no glasses required. All these innovations are designed to connect and create. They immerse you like never before. So, will Sony's new tech change your world? Hit that like button and let us know what you'd try first.